Right, let's have a look at the first way that I have for creating filters. What we're going to do is we're going to use product subcategories to create the filters. Okay, so you will see kind of how this pans out. This could be seen as the kind of quick and easy way to create a filter if you don't want to have to go through and set them up using attributes. All right, so firstly, I'm going to use this folder here, Holiday Essentials, or this category rather, Holiday Essentials, to create the filters in. Right, so firstly I select the category and then I'm going to add a subcategory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, under Holiday Essentials, I'm going to create two subcategories, one which I'll call for the beach and one which I'll call fashion. Okay, so it's Holiday Essentials, beach stuff, fashion stuff. Right. So first subcategory, this is going to be beach. Okay, and I want it to be active, and I'm including it in navigation for now, but I may turn that off later. Okay, and then I go along to where we have the products. Well, actually, I'm not going to do that at the moment. I'm just going to save that category. Okay, so now we have a subcategory called for the beach, and in brackets it's got 0, which means there's no products assigned to it. Again, I'm going to highlight Holiday Essentials, and I'm going to create a subcategory again. And this time round, I'm going to call this one fashion. Again, set it as active and include it in the navigation, and I'll save that. Right, now for demonstration purposes, first I'm going to go over to the Holiday Essentials category and I'm going to remove all products from within here. Okay, so you'll see that when I've unticked them and save, that the number for Holiday Essentials has gone down to 0. Right, now I'm going to go back to each of these categories, the beach and the fashion. I'm just going to add some products in here. So for the beach one, I want things like sun cream. So let's just have a look and see what sun creams we can put in. So actually I'm going to put in some bikini and some shorts. Okay, and then we're also going to find some sun cream and we'll put a few of those in as well. Okay, so I've just put a bit of a selection in there for that. I'll save that category. Okay, we can see that there's 7 items in that category. I'm then going to go to fashion. And this time round, I'm going to put in those shorts and the hat and the summer t-shirt. Okay, save that, and we can see that there's 3 items in fashion. Right, so as it stands at the moment, if I refresh the site and go to Holiday Essentials, no items in Holiday Essentials, but you can see we have the banner and the content there, and it has the subcategories down here, but also I can access the subcategories here. So I can go through and go and have a look at beach, and you can see it takes me to a completely separate page. If I look up here at the URL, it's taken to me that separate page. I can go back using the breadcrumb trail, go to fashion, same thing applies there. Now, what I can do instead though, is go up to Holiday Essentials, and I want you to note that that says 0 at the moment. Under display settings, I'm going to turn the anchor on. So I set his anchor to yes and save. You can now see there's 10 items in there. Now if I go to category product page, there's no items there at all. What it's doing is it's counting up all the items that are in the subcategories beneath it, all the unique items. So actually, if I happen to have a duplicate item in beach and fashion, it wouldn't count it twice. Right, so now if we go back to Holiday Essentials. Okay, so now when we look at the page, instead of nothing on there for Holiday Essentials, you can see that all the items have been dragged through. We have a filter, and actually we've got a category filter on here. Now these filters down here exist because there are products within this particular category that have attributes with filters on them. Okay, so that's what we're going to cover in the next video. So I'll explain how we define our own ones of these. But actually at the category level, if I was to select beach, it remains in the same category. Okay, so we still have our branding of the category, but it filters the products in there just to the ones that are in the subcategory of for the beach. And likewise, if I go to fashion, the same thing applies. What I might want to do now is not have separate links to these in the drop down, because these ones actually still go to very specific pages. So if I was to select beach there, it is still going to a separate category page, which may not be what I want on my site. So to solve that problem, if I go back to the product category, and for each of the categories under general information, go and find the include navigation and set that to no. Likewise for fashion, set that to no. And now if we refresh the site, go to Holiday Essentials, there's no drop down anymore. Okay, so that's how you create a filter using categories.